Okay, hi boys and girls. All right. So today in our math, we're gonna learn standard measurement. Now remember, last other day, we learned using non-standard measurements. What are they? We can use paper clips. We can use the small paper clips. You can use the clothespin. You can use pen, anything. I even showed you my foot. Yes, you can use by measuring foot for the big object, of course. Okay. So like say for example, because if you have like a long table, and if you're gonna use the small paper clip, what's gonna happen? It takes forever to measure, right? So you can use like your foot. You can use your even your hand right here, or your finger. You from there to here, you can measure it. You can measure using from right here, maybe knuckle right, your knuckle right here, and using for your elbow, so you can use that to measure if it is like a longer object. So for today's lesson, we are going to use the standard measurement. Specifically, we're going to use using a ruler, and we're going to talk about the inches, and we're going to talk about the centimeters. Now you have to be careful, because when you measure, boys and girls, always you start from number one right here. Your measurement always start in number one. You cannot be starting your measurement using two right here, or three and four, whatever. But you always start your measurement in number one. Okay. Now remember, ruler sometimes at the where you see number one right here, go to number one right here. There is a line right here, boys and girls, in your number one. You see where the line right here? Now, before the line, there's like a little gap right here. Make sure when you measure, you start from where the line is. Now, I'm going to show you the difference. I have another ruler right here to show you that this ruler, it starts exactly at the very end, and there is no gaps. I'm going to show you the difference. Okay? So I have two rulers. Pay attention to the number one only. Okay. So the inches right here, we're going to pay attention to the inches. Let me make it straight. So my inches is right here in this side. You see that, boys and girls? Okay. So in the other ruler, which is right here, there is like a gap, right? Before the line, there's a gap. Now look, the purple one, boys and girls, there's no gap. Meaning you're going to start it from the beginning when you measure. In this one here, you start measuring where the line is. Got it? Now I'm going to show you. In here on my paper, on my board, I have two different types of papers, okay? So I have the short one, and I have the longer one. So I'm going to use the inches. Now remember, inches, the bigger one right here. Okay, these are inches. Okay, and the abbreviation for inch, if it's only one, is this: INCH. So when you get to two, you will say 2 inches, not 2 inch no more. Okay, inch is only like for one inch. Okay, so at the bottom right here, boys and girls, let me flip it over. This is centimeters. Okay, so as you noticed, centimeter, boys and girls, right here, let me move it around. Centimeter, boys and girls, is really, really short. You see that? The numbers are very short distance from another number. You see that? However, the inches, they're wider. You see the difference? Okay, look at this again. Inches from here, inches is wider. Okay, inches right here is way wider. You can compare. All right. So I'll go back to number one. So this is your inches right here. See, from here again, from right here to your 1 inch right here, it's way wider. And look at the centimeter. They are close. The number are very close to each other. And 1 inch right here, boys and girls. You know 1 inch. You know how many centimeters? Is 2 centimeters and 2 and 54. okay, meaning 2.54. But don't worry about that. We're not gonna convert anything from inches or two from 1 inch or 2 inches to centimeters. So we're gonna focus our measurement only from 2 inches, okay? And there's some activity that you will be using your uh, inch, your centimeter. So remember, the abbreviation is, when using the centimeters, the abbreviation is cm. Again, cm stands for centimeters, okay? Centimeters. Inch is stands for, if you use inch, it's gonna be like 2 inches would be like 2 inches. But if it's only one, would be like 1 inch. So you see this at the end of your ruler. Don't get confused. You won't get confused because you know why? When you measure, make sure you look at the word right here. Okay, so this is inch. All right, inch. All right, and this one is centimeter. Okay, centimeter here. There's a word right here, cm, centimeter. And this one is inches right here. Yeah, inches. All right. So now remember, you don't get confused when say, okay, we're going to measure centimeter or we're going to use inches. So make sure you have to look for those two abbreviations so you won't get too confused. So we're going to use inch. Okay. So we're going to use inch right here on the top. Okay. If it tells you later in your activity to use the centimeters, you look for the letter cm. All right, boys and girls, you got it. All right, now we're gonna use inch right here, or the inches right here on the top. Okay, I have orange paper. We're gonna see how many inches. Okay, so again, remember there's a line right here. So when you measure, make sure, boys and girls, that you are lining up. Okay, so remember there's a line right here in the end or at the end of your ones. Make sure your orange paper or your ruler is exactly from the line, so you can tell this is 5 inches. Okay, that is 5 inches. It measured 5 inches. I cannot say 5 inch because it's already more than one. So it would be from here to here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it ends right there. Now this is the measurement of the orange paper. But watch, boys and girls, if I change with that purple ruler that I used earlier, if you don't pay attention to the line at the end, watch what's going to happen. Okay. So if I use this, and if I'm not going to use or pay attention to the line, boys and girls, my measurement will be off. Now look at this. Because this purple ruler, there's the beginning or the end, you start the measurement, boys and girls, is from the end. Guess what? It's exactly 5 inches. You see? It match. Make sure they are in the line. The end of your ruler to here, wherever the line is. Then it's 5 inches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 inches, exactly the same. So that's why they call, boys and girls, standard unit, because no matter what kind of ruler you're gonna use, your measurement is exactly the same. I can even use my tape ruler right here, boys and girls, that remember I showed you last week, that if I'm gonna use, this is also a standard unit. So if I'm gonna use my tape measure right here, boys and girls, so the measurement, boys and girls, of that is exactly the same. Now, you see the difference here? I'm going to start from the line where the line is. I cannot make my measurement or start my measurement, boys and girls, from this here where silver, because you know why? The line is right here. So if I'm going to start my number from here, my measurement, guess what? My measurement is less. You see? So make sure that you always look at your ruler, whatever you use, what kind of measuring uh, item you're using. So like this, it needs to be from the line, and it needs to be from here, and exactly 5 measures from here. From here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 inches. I'm sorry, that is 5. So let me see the green strip of paper right here. We'll see how many inches it measures. Now remember, we're looking at the inches. We're using the inches, the INCH, okay? So I'm gonna start right here from the very end because this is my purple. And it measure how many? 8 inches. Say it ends, it's 8 inches, boys and girls, okay? So we know this is longer than the orange one. We can even tell by just looking at it. So if I have to write this, boys and girls, this one here is 5 inches, or the other way to write is for short, they do it like this, 5, and you see this like quotation right there. That is the symbol for inches also, okay? So 5 inches in word, or 5 inches right here by using that thing. Now this one, the same thing, 8 inches, or this one also 8 inches. Okay, so now remember that quotation mark looks like the symbol for also inches. All right, boys and girls, you got this. We'll see you again probably another video next week. Bye bye.